Hi guys, good morning. So it's our second day in Macau, and as you can see, I am ready. And yeah, so I woke up early, like around 9:30, and then I hurried up to get ready, and then again I came out just to see the some parts of the hotel, and now golf course is closed. I wanted to see it. It's closed due to autumn. And now we are going to see the pool area and all, and then we'll go out for a walk. And after that, we have to head to Hong Kong. So this is a great corridor area to reach to the pool. Everything is written in English here, so some people get worried about that there is many language problem. And since they cannot, obviously we cannot read Chinese, and also there is language problem, but no, there is not, as everything is written in English also, you can see here. And we have reached pool area, and this is how the pool area looks. Very vintage look, but it's good. People are not swimming because it's not that hot here. Like, it's still windy, so in pool it will be a bit cold. But yeah, this is how the area looks. So this is one more pool area. Good morning. And this also looks pretty good, and people are here. I think this one is temperature controlled. Yeah. One more pool there, but it's not in use. Oh, this one is adult only pool. Now we are just exploring this area. Now we have boarded our complimentary shuttle to the Taipa Macau ferry terminal, and now we are going for the ferry to go to Hong Kong. And I'll tell you all about the immigration process while going from Macau to Hong Kong. I'll tell all about it in the ferry, or maybe when I reach Hong Kong. But till then, say bye to Macau, guys. Bye Macau. Thanks Venetian for having us. It was really good stay, and we really enjoyed it. Thank you. Macau ferry terminal, waiting for our ferry to come so that we can board. And we have cleared all the immigration, got our tickets. About the immigration, it was a smooth process. They just asked for our visa and then tickets of the ferry and passport. Yeah, that was pretty much it. And yes, so now we'll board our ferry and we'll go to Hong Kong. Hi guys, so now we have reached Hong Kong, and we already checked in our hotel. We are staying in Hyatt Centric Harbour. We are just going towards room. Also, I did not vlog for the ferry because I was really tired, so I slept the whole way. And then reached Hong Kong, crossed the immigration, and yeah, so also in Hong Kong also the immigration process. So in Hong Kong the immigration process was really
floor?
which floor? 15th. So they just asked for pre-arrival, passport, and pre-arrival, passport, and one more thing. प्री-अराइवल पासपोर्ट के साथ क्या लिया था इमिग्रेशन पे?
कुछ भी नहीं लिया.
एक चीज और थी. Yeah, the slip, the notification slip, which was available at the counter only. We just have to fill it and give it to them. So they just asked this, and then let us go further. And so now we reached here. Now let's go for a room tour. किस में?
तेरा बाप यहाँ छोड़कर गया था कि तेरी माँ?
going out to see the nightlife of Hong Kong and eat some food, have dinner. And this is my outfit, and these are the shoes I bought. Now let's go. So this is the North Point Centre Station, and we are going to LFK, and this is how MTR looks. Also, this looks like Canada, lol. So let me tell you about the MTR, the ticket system and all. So for the ticket system of the MTR, it's like they do not accept card payments. Like you cannot pay for the kiosk or at the customer service center with your card, any credit, debit or any card. You cannot pay by that if you want to buy the tickets. Either you guys have to have Octopus card, and Octopus card is available on Klook, or you can also buy it here or whatever. Either you can buy the tickets like one-way tickets, which is like if I want to go to a central station, it is like 7.5 Hong Kong dollars. So per person. So I'll just put it on the screen, or at the customer service center that I want to go on this station. They will take 7.5 per person, and I will have to pay cash because they do not accept cards. Otherwise, if you have a Visa card, then there is a entrance special to tap bankless Visa card. You can just tap your Visa card and then go. We have reached LFK, which is Lan Kwai Fun, and it's like a hilaria because we have to go up towards north. So it looks really cool. There are many eating joints here, local markets, local things. Further there are clubs and all. So let's see where we go. Into this Indian kind of place. I'll tell you the name. I don't remember, it was outside, but एक दिन हुआ नहीं है और हम पहले से इंडियन खाना खा रहे हैं. So now first try दाल मखनी rice. Dal makhani is fine. It's like, obviously it's not like India, very good, but it's fine. Edible. It's edible. If you are craving for Indian food, it's fine, and if you do not eat meat and all, use Indian food, it's good. Now let's try. It's good. I would rate both of them like 7.5. Hi guys, so I'm back, and that's it for today's vlog, for the Hong Kong nightlife vlog. And now see you in day 3 vlog, and I hope you guys like this vlog, and I hope you guys liked my previous vlog too. So yeah, please share it with your friends and family. Do like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to DM me on Instagram or here. Just comment in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer your all the questions. And I explained you all about the MTR, the metro route, and about the nightlife, which is LFK. And for the bar, I went to room 309, which is a speakeasy bar, and it was very good. It's a must recommend. You should try it. And yeah, I did not vlog there because they told me that it's not allowed to turn on your flashlight, and the lighting there was much dim because it's a bar. So I did not vlog there, but everything is on my Instagram. Do check out my Hong Kong highlights, reels and stories. Everything is there. Bye, take care, see you.